Adding chia seeds to your daily routine can unlock a surprisingly powerful transformation, impacting your health and well-being in numerous positive ways. Imagine feeling more energized throughout the day, thanks to the slow-releasing carbohydrates and sustained hydration these tiny seeds provide. Picture your digestive system running smoother, fueled by the abundant fiber that chia seeds offer, leading to improved gut health and reduced bloating. And envision your skin glowing with a newfound radiance, nourished by the omega-3 fatty acids that contribute to healthy cell function and a youthful appearance. The simple act of incorporating chia seeds is like planting a tiny seed of wellness that blossoms into a significant and noticeable improvement in your overall vitality. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.